Spectrum 2014, a new year, a new level of creativity. NIFT Spectrum 2014 commenced on the 25th of February 2014, marking the beginning of 3 days of immense energy, enthusiasm and fun and frolic. Several colleges from all over Delhi came together to make the fest a huge success.
Spectrum is the most awaited event, which not only the Lithuanians but also the students from the other college wait for it. So this year we had this open theme, and so each department had come up with their own themes on the shows and on the walls. For FC, we did like this chalkboard theme and had this concept of different typefaces. For the fashion show, it was really amazing to see, different concepts coming together on the ramp. One being the freak show, the other being, the 7 deadly sins, etc., etc. I mean, it was really amazing to see how, there was the garment which was 12 foot tall and was so, elaborate and had even won the prize for it. So it was really amazing to see. The best part was the chandelier dress, though it couldn't come up with that grace, but then it was really amazing. One of the highlights of the show.
Street Play is one of the really exciting events that we have every year, and this year we had some really brilliant performances. Some of the colleges that came and performed, after their shows we actually had goosebumps because they were so emotionally connecting to us, and they were so brilliant with the words that they used and the way they performed. It was really great, and it was again one of the most crowd-pulling events. When the street plays were going on, I don't think there was even a single place left for somebody to sit in the court.
Battle of Bands is definitely the best event of Spectrum. I'm not biased towards it. Definitely it is the best event, and the way we managed to pull it off despite the rain this time, and my favorite band won, so it was like a perfect event for me this time. Star Night, we had Adi Suhail and Nuclear performing. They were the main stars, and we had the Urban Early Men and Phobia opening for them. So I think we couldn't have had better stars this time. It was all good. Spectrum next year, I worked for Spectrum last year. I was made to work for Spectrum last year. I worked for Spectrum this year, and I will make people work for Spectrum next year. So I've clearly, been through a long way for all this. And next year, one thing for sure is to make the students of this college feel for this festival. Definitely all the students feel for it. They work, the department work that they have. Then there are some students helping us with the LJAC work. But somehow I feel that feel of the college festival is lacking. I want every student of this college feel for this festival the way you and I feel for it.